Now this is for the TGT mathematics teacher recruitment. I am giving the demonstration. From the mensuration I have taken one of the question. If three circles of radius A is the sides of each circle, are each are drawn such that each touches the other two circles means all the three circles are touches to each other. Prove that the area included between them is 4 by 25 a square. Okay, the question is quite clear. It is very simple also. So suppose I am taking a circle. One first circle is center is A, and the other circle same radius. The center is B. Okay, and then now the third circle. Third circle I have taken. The center is C. We know that from the geometry, a line joining, suppose they touch here at the point P, at the point Q, this is at the point Q, and this is at the point R. Here R. Okay, and the radius is here small a, and this is also small a. This is, we are just joining the centers of all the three circles. So it is also A, it is also A, this is also A, it is also A. Now we know that a line joining the center of the two circles, when they touch externally, uh, all are collinear. So A, B and B are collinear. So AB is a straight line. Similarly, BC is also a straight line, and AC is also a straight line. It is the portion of geometry. Now, here AB is equal to 2A, and BCA plus a 2A, and BC is also equal to 2A, and AC is also equal to 2A. So all sides are equal. It means that triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Okay, it is equilateral triangle. So we know that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So it is 60 degree, it is also 60 degree, it is also 60 degree, because sum of the all three angles is equal to 180 degree. We know that. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. All angle is equal to taken at theta, that is 60 degree. We will have to find the common region between all the three circles. Okay, so we will have to find this area, this common region. Okay, the triangle area is more than the area of three sectors whose sectors angles are 60 degree. So now we have to find out the area of three sectors as well as area of triangles. So if we will find out the area of triangle, area of equilateral triangle, and we will subtract from the area of equilateral triangle, we will subtract the area of three sectors, we will get the area of the shaded portion. Okay, now you are understanding this. So now first of all, area of equilateral triangle we are just finding, it is root 3 by 4 into side square. So it is root 3 by 4, side is 2a, so it is 2a whole square. So root 3 by 4, 2 square 4, and this is a square. This is cancelled. So root 3 a square. And in this question, it is mentioned here root 3 is equal to, we have to take 1.73 a square. So this is taken as first equation number first, where we have calculated the area of equilateral triangle ABC. Now suppose we are finding here the sectors are equal. Why? All the three circles are congruent because their radius are same, and now all the sectors are also same area because their sector angles are same as well as radius are same. So now we are finding area of sector. We know that the sector is the area bounded by the two radius and one arc. So area of sector APR, it is equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree. So in place of pi we will write 3.14. It is mentioned over in the question, and r is equal to what? R is equal to a. It is given in the question also here. So a square, and then theta is 60 degree divided by 360, so it is equal to 6. Now we can remove the decimal and put in two zeros. 2, it will cancel, so 2 on the 2, 2 5 ch, 2 7 ch, and 2 3 ch, 0 0. It is, so now it is coming, it will, here it will cancel out 360 degree, 360 degree, so it will cancel out by 6 only. So it is 3.14, so 3.14, and then we have to take two zeros and we will cancel out by 2, so it is 300. So 157 a square by 300 we are getting. Now area of three sectors, three equal sectors means we have to multiply this into 3, so it is equal to 157 a square by 100. We can again convert it in decimal form, 1.75 a square, so it is taken as equation number 2. This is the area of all the three sectors. Now we have to find out the shaded region. So now we will just rub that portion, just rub this portion, and we will calculate very easily. So here area of shaded region is equal to 1.73 a square minus, it is from these two equations it is clear that this is greater than this, so area of the equilateral triangle is greater than the area of the three sectors. So 1.57 a square, so it is equal to 0.16 a square. Now we will again convert it into fraction form or in rational number form, so we will cancel out, it is 4 by 25 a square. This is to be proved, so this is our answer. So in this question it is said that three circles touches each other. Suppose this is circle 1, this is 2, this is 3. All the three circles having their radius are a, all the circles touches each other, and now we will get a portion between all the three circles, and that is shaded here. We will have to find the area of the circle. So we see that we see that a equilateral triangle is formed, as well as three sectors are formed. All the sectors are equal, and area of triangle is bigger than area of three sectors, because if we will include the shaded region, then the area of all the three sectors plus shaded region is equal to area of the equilateral triangle. So here we will have to find out area of the sector, area of the shaded region. So we will find out only the area of equilateral triangle and then the area of three sectors, which I have calculated from in these two equations and then subtracted. So we will get area of the shaded region. This concludes our proof. This is our proof. So thank you, and I think you will understand it. So there will be no problem at all. As well as A, P, B are collinear. For that, we will have to learn that how they are collinear, which can be explained in algebra, in which when the two circles touches each other, then the point of contact lies between the centers joining the two circles. So this is the question of pure geometry. So that will be explained also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay. Bye bye.